The 1979 Mercedes 300 SD, and if you want to get this panel off to, let's say, replace one of these switches, this is what you have to do. Take the ashtray out. There's a little depressing bar here. Press it in the middle. This thing pops out. I don't have the original screws here, so they're a slotted one. Who the hell uses slotted screws these days? But I think when my wife had a radio installed here, the installers just didn't put these screws back. And so this part, you have to push it that way, like one side will pop out. This side, there's a plug for the cigarette lighter, so you just push that, unplug the cigarette lighter. Then there's two screws, 1, 2. And actually, you're going to want a little stubby screwdriver. But I'd already removed one. But to get in there, you have a stubby screwdriver. And so then at this end, this housing has a horn down here that goes into a hole. So you have to push this way. And so there it is. So there's the hole that a horn goes into. There's a horn right here. Goes into that hole, so if you push it that way, and so there it is. Right now the wires are attached to the window switches, but that's how you get into this thing. Alright.